Good morning, class 5. Class 5, in our last class we have completed our multiplication of decimal fraction, and today we are going to start division of decimal fractions. Okay, so very easily we have learnt how we can multiply a certain number. See how we can multiply a certain number and how we can get the product very easily. Okay, when it was 110 or 1000 also, or whether it is simple multiplication, how to put the decimal in the correct place. Today we'll start with this division. In division also, as in multiplication, suppose we have to divide by the multiples of 10, that is 10, 100, 1000, etc. To divide a decimal fraction by 10, 100, 1000, etc., move the decimal point in the dividend by as many places to the left as there are zeros in the divisor. Okay, so the number of digits here in the decimal place to the left. Okay, what question rules tell you that move the decimal point in the dividend by as many places to the right as there are zeros in the divisor. So see here, in the divisor there are 1 0, so we have to move this decimal point to the right. Okay, sorry, to the left. From this is right hand, so we'll move to the left hand side. So this decimal was here 4.83, but when we are dividing with 10, we can move this decimal to the left hand side according to the number of 0 what is there in the divisor. So this is 4.83 and this divisor carry only 1 0. So we have simply moved this decimal to the left hand side just after one digit. So 4.48, 0.483. This will be answer. How we'll get this answer? So we can see with the full calculation also. 483. Why it came 483? Because for removing this decimal, we have divided and written it here 100. To remove the decimal, what you have to do, children, if you want to remove the decimal, you have to put 1, you have to write here 1 in the divisor side, and as number of digits are there after the decimal, you have to put that many zeros. So it was 4.83, so we have removed the decimal and by 100 is written. Why 100? Because there are 2 digits after the decimal in the dividend, so we have written 100. Now you have to divide it by 10, so simply you have written divided by 10. Now we have to apply reciprocal formula. What we have learnt in reciprocal, that if you want to remove this division sign, you have to put multiplication and you have to just reverse this. If only 10 is written, this means that it is 10 by 1. So for reciprocal, you have to simply put a multiplication symbol and you have to reverse it. By reversing, we'll get 1 by 10. So here it is 483 by. Now when you multiply 483, multiply 1, 483. Now when you multiply this, in place of 2 and 1 0, we'll write altogether 3 zeros. 100, 10s are 1000. Now what to do? Again you have to make this fraction into a decimal fraction. To make it into the decimal fraction, what you have to do? Now you have to remove this. So for removing this, what you will do? 1, 2, 3. As many zeros are there in the divisor, you will count it from here, from the foremost right hand side, and you put a decimal. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, we put a decimal. Before decimal nothing is there, so we'll write 0. Same thing here, 4.83. So you can write divided by 100. So what I have told you, you have to move this decimal, as many digits are there, you have to move it to the next side. Now what you can do, see, 3, 8, 4, but there are 2 zeros and decimal was here. So 1 we have counted, but 2 where to put now? So you have to put here 1 0, then you have to decimal. So before decimal also you have to give a digit, that is 0. Look here, we can do it like this also, simple. This question is same, but only the divisor has been changed. So 483 by 100, this will be same. Now you have to divide it by 100. So division symbol, then reciprocal it will be 1 by 100. Now 100 hundreds are 10,000. Now 1 2 3 4 zeros are there. So 1 2 3 4 nothing will be here. So you have to put 1 0, then decimal, then 1 0 before the decimal. Same way 1000. Okay, so 3 zeros are there, so we have to move the decimal. So 1 2 3, so before that you put a decimal and 0. See, this is the answer. In the same way you have to do this multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000, as I have told you to do it in multiplication also. Single number you have to do it by 10, then 100, then 1000, as it is given here. And in the same way write down the values of without dividing, as I have make you learn, I have taught you just now. I have taught you and teach you that how to write the number directly without these operations, without the calculation. How you can do? See, divide by 100, so you have to move the decimal to the left hand side. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Decimal is here, so we'll move the decimal to the left hand side. 1 2. So what will be your answer? 6 4 8 3. Decimal will be here now. So before decimal you have to put 1 0. Same here, divided by 10, 1 0 is there. So you move the decimal to ones place to left hand side. Answer will be 1.748. Clear? So what you have to do? You have to do this exercise 10E, question number 1 and question number 2 in your copy. Tomorrow we'll start our next portion. In our live class we'll do this. Okay children, complete your work and see you tomorrow in our live class. Bye bye.